Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to automate tasks in Google Sheets so you can save time and work more efficiently. Start by opening your Google Sheet and choosing the spreadsheet you want to automate. Then click on Extensions, go to Macros and select Record Macro. You'll see two options at the bottom. Use absolute references or relative references. Absolute references will apply your actions to the exact cells you recorded, while relative references will apply them to the currently active selection. Next, perform the actions you want to automate, like formatting, adding borders, or setting conditional formatting. Once you're done, give your macro a name, assign a shortcut if you like, and save it. For example, if you want to format a dataset, you can record a macro that freezes the first row, bolts the headers, adds borders, and highlights important values. Later, you can run this macro on any new dataset and all the formatting will be applied automatically. You can also automate calculations. For instance, if you have a pattern in your data like full names and first names in separate columns, Google Sheets can detect the pattern and fill in the rest automatically using Smart Fill. In addition to macros, you can use plugins and add-ons to automate more complex tasks. Popular options include Coefficient, which syncs data from platforms like Salesforce and automates reports, and Autocrat, which can automate document creation. These tools can also send alerts via email or messaging apps whenever your data changes. For more advanced automation, you can use Google Apps Script. It's a scripting tool that lets you extend Google Sheets, automate repetitive tasks, and even connect to other Google services. You can use it to create fully custom workflows that save you hours of manual work. And that's a quick guide on automating Google Sheets using macros, add-ons, and Apps Script. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tip for Google Sheets.